How to read deleted messages on WhatsApp. So if you want to read deleted messages on WhatsApp, then first you just need to open up your WhatsApp application and make sure that you have logged into your account. And once you've logged in, now if you have this kind of interface where it says this message was deleted, then it means the other person has unsent that message. So if you want to simply read that message after deleting, then what you need to do is open up your settings. You won't be able to see that on your application, so simply open up your settings on your device. Once you open up your settings, now scroll down and go for notifications option. Tap on notifications. Under notifications, go for notification history. And if you have not turned on your notification history, then you won't be able to see your notifications. So make sure that you have turned on your notification history. And here you will have an option of WhatsApp. So even after the other person has unsent the message, you will be able to see that message right here on your notification history. So you can scroll down and here you will have the apps. So you just need to simply go for WhatsApp and simply go for the right side and tap on the drop down bar. Once you tap on it, here you will have all of the messages that you have received today. And from here, you can see all of the deleted messages also. So that's how you can see the deleted messages on WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.